Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to run diagnostics on DELL XPS 13. To do it, you need to be in this one-time boot menu, and to get to that, you should first shut down your laptop fully. Then once it's shut down, wait for half a minute and press on the power button. Then immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 key on your keyboard until there's a blue bar at the bottom loading, or until you get to this screen. Now you can simply select Diagnostics. Let's wait a moment, and now it is initializing the scan, and it has started automatically. I'm just gonna wait until it goes through the process because I don't think I can skip that. So yeah, it shows me the battery warning message. I'm gonna continue testing, or if I can cancel that, yeah, I need to click on escape to stop testing. Because I just want to stop it to actually show you. You can start the test, yes, but I wanted to see if I could go to some advanced one. I don't really think so, so you can, I think, only start the test here, but I think that's good enough. You can start that and see what's up with your system, if everything works correctly, and if not, you'll get warnings about that. And I'm gonna exit it, and that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.